Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Persol model, PO0649, in color code 2431. It's a Havana color frame. On the temples here we have a silver detailing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. They're handmade. This is the outside of the temple, it's the same. The lenses are a green color. They are 100% UV protected, tempered glass. And on the top right, they have a Persol writing engraved in the lens. The style of the frame is Fashion Pilot. Up here we have a Persol gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and your manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.